Hey guys, good evening all. Can
Good
one
evening, sir.
see my screen,
Good
right?
evening, sir.
Yeah, very good evening. Guys, hope you are able to see the screen. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Fine. So as I recall, last session we started create command, and before we want to create command, there are two things we discussed yesterday. One is SQL data types, and one is SQL constraints. Right. So these are the two topic guys. I think yesterday we discussed. So today I'll go with the syntax, okay, and I'll go with couple of example, and then I'll be giving you a task also, okay. So this task, this for as part of the task, I'll be sending this folder, okay. I'll be sending this folder. So there you can see couple of tables that you need to create today, okay. So yeah, if you understand the syntax and example, then only you can do the task. I got a one message from one of guy that you're not clear on primary key. Yeah, nice. I think I got this question in the at least beginning itself. Thanks, buddy. So I'll start what is primary key again. But before that, we'll quickly recap on data types quickly. Okay, and this data type will revise by taking this table references. Okay. So I was just revising the first data types. Okay. So guys, this is the first task I was giving you, and the table name is employee. Okay, the table name is employee on the top you can see. Okay, so if you see ID column and these values, just look at the values and tell me what is the data type we can declare.
Number.
Number, nice. Name,
And name varchar 2.
yeah. Number, varchar. Next, age.
This is also a number. Address is varchar 2 and salary is like number. Number of float we can have float.
Uh, can you come again?
Sir, number is nothing but varchar 2 and age is number and address
Naga,
is
Naga,
varchar
Naga,
2.
Naga. The reason I ask you, I want to know who you are talking. Okay, I can see you are okay. Naga. Actually, your voice is not clear. Okay, but I understand what you're saying. Okay, guys, just revision what Naga has said. ID column data type could be a number, varchar, name is varchar, age is number, and the salary is again a number, or you can say float also. Okay. Hope this is clear, everyone. Okay. Uh, let's get into the second table. Yeah, guys, in the second table also you can see there are two tables, persons and orders. Just forget about it. And yeah, person ID, data type.
Number.
Next, last name, all last names. Hmm? Hey
Char.
guys, where char no? Or can use char also. That's fine. Okay. And here first name,
Varchar.
where char. Age.
Number.
Age is number, sir.
Number.
Okay, age is number. Okay, I think you are good at something, data types. Okay, I'll go with the
Thanks,
constraints now
sir.
quickly. Yeah, I'll go with the constraints quickly. So let's take the same example to understand what is something, primary key constraint. But before you want to understand primary key, first of all, you should have a complete context on unique and not null. Okay, unique and not null. So let's talk about this name column. Let's talk about something, this name column. Okay, so name column, if you see, these are employees, right? So employee names can be duplicate, correct? The first employee name is Ramesh. Another employee can also have a same name Ramesh, right? So this column values can be same. This column values can be same, but in a general, an employee should not, exist without name, right? An employee should not exist in a company without name.
Not
So,
all, sir.
right. So name should be given. Name should be
Not null.
given. Okay, and that can be
Not
duplicate
null.
also, right? In that case, yeah, we have to go to something, not null. Okay. So I think everyone align on it. Name column constraint should be not null. And let's take into the age also. An employee cannot exist without age, right? So it should not be empty. And employees can be duplicate, correct? Right? So again, still it is not null. Guys, this is tomorrow task. Okay. But someone asked me to repeat primary key, but before primary key should have a complete context on not null and unique. So I was repeating this again. Okay. I think you are clear on not null. And there is no scenario that I can see, unique constraint, but I can add one column here, say something, unique here. Let me add one more column, driving license number. Okay. DLN, driving license number. Wait, I'll add it. Okay. So the column I'm adding something, driving license number. So this is a column, guys, I was introducing here. Now, if you see, Ramesh is there. He has a, he's good at driving. Then definitely he can give a number, 1, 2, 3. And Kilan also have a, driving license number. So he can give something, 1 to 4. Okay. Now let's say Kaushik. He don't have a, bike, or, he don't know how to drive it. Then for Kaushik, we have to leave this empty. Okay, we have to give a chance to leave it. This is empty. Okay, that's our option number one. Option number one is we have to allow him to give an empty. Next option two is, okay, we should not allow him to give other driving license number. Option one is we have to give flexibility to him to leave empty. Option two is we should not allow him to give other driving license numbers. In this context, okay, we can declare a driving license number as unique constraint. So unique in the sense, it allow empty, it not allow duplicates. I hope everyone on aligned. What is unique constraint? Can I get some thumbs up symbols, please? Everyone aligned? Aligned? Okay. Okay. Right. Guys, I was not in under impression that you already know something in a programming. From day one, I was saying this. I'm sticking on the same statement. People are from civil, mechanical, triple E. Yeah, maybe you have not much concentrate on these concepts. But when it comes to in an interview, like in a Java or SQL, definitely the fundamentals they will ask you. If you're not clear on these fundamentals, so they won't take you guys. Okay, so feel free to use my time. Okay, yeah. Okay, I think all good. I think everyone are good on unique and not null. So let's forget about this ID column time being. Okay, just forget about it. This column is not exist. Let me add one column, say PAN number. Okay, PAN number. Okay, I'll introduce a column called the PAN number. Assume this column is not the ID. Okay, now PAN number is a column. Definitely every employee has a PAN number. Correct, right? So let's say Ramesh PAN number is something, PA1, okay, Kilan PA2, okay, and then coming toward Kaushik. Kaushik should not leave this is empty, correct? Okay, should not leave this is empty. Okay, should not leave empty. It means we can give not null constraint for this. This is the option number one. Okay, he should not leave empty. Next, again, Kaushik should not give a duplicate, nothing but other person's PAN numbers. This is also we have to restrict. Then you have to go use unique constraint. Okay, so I'll repeat one more time. When it comes to Kaushik should not leave empty. Then we should give not null. If we give not null, this row won't be created for Kaushik. Hey, Kaushik, you should enter your PAN. Next, if we give unique, okay, Kaushik should not give Ramesh or Kilan PAN numbers. He should give a new PAN number here. Then only it will take. Otherwise, it will scold you that this row is, invalid. So that's kind of, error you will get when he try to store empty, when he try to store in duplicate. Now the solution is we have to give both combined. We have to give both combined. But instead of giving both combinedly, okay, we have a constraint called something, PK. PK stands for primary key. So what we can do, we can give pan as, a primary key. So what primary key will do is, guys, forget about what it allows, focus on what it not allows. Forget about what it allows, focus on what it not allows. If pan is given as primary key, it can restrict empty, it can restrict duplicate. So that's what we achieved it. So if we declare pan as, a PK, primary key, okay, then yeah, it is achieving, both features. So that's about, the primary key. And one more, the heads up here is, let's say I have one more column Aadhaar. Okay, let's say we have one more call Aadhaar. And yeah, here also the same is case, right? Let's say Ramesh can give Aadhaar number, let's say something, A01. Okay, A01. Kilan given something, A02. Okay, A02. Now Kaushik. For Kaushik, again, same scenario. He should not leave empty. He should not give other Aadhaar numbers. Then, sir, I mean, it is also satisfying me that I can go with again a primary key. Yes, you can declare primary key, but as per table creation schema, you are not allowed to create two primary keys at a time. Okay, already you declared pan as a PK. Okay, pan as a PK. Then you should not declare other also PK. Instead, you can declare both U and NN. Unique and not null, both combination, you have a flexibility to declare. So in that case also, Aadhaar can restrict not nulls and can restrict empties and duplicates. This is something, the difference between unique, not null, primary key combinations. Uh, I got this message from someone. Can you please confirm? Oh, nice, nice, nice. I already seen your acknowledgement. Okay, guys, if you can always use the chat, please. Okay, even if you feel shy, I won't call your name also. Okay, thanks, buddy, for acknowledging quick. Guys, everyone all online now? Still, you have it out? All good? All good?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
nice, nice. Okay, chalo, let's start. How to create a table now today. So I'll go with the syntax first. Always remember in SQL, the critical part is not understanding the theory, what I was discussing. I'm sure everyone can understand. Okay. But the only typical part is, writing the queries. So until unless if you won't remember the syntax, you cannot write the queries. Okay. Even you are good at theoretical. Yeah. If you're not write the query, that's a difficult part. So anyhow, during my session, I'll give you some hints to remember uh, the shortcuts for it. So no worries. So I'll be going with the syntax for create command now. The syntax is create table name. Guys, is it not like a English language? If you see the three words, don't you really think that it's like an English language? Hey guys, create table name. You understood this first time?
Yes, sir.
So very
Yes,
simple
sir.
syntax, right? Create table name. Create table name. Okay, and then inside parenthesis. Okay, inside parenthesis. Yeah, definitely. Then you have to give the semicolon. Okay, so inside the parenthesis, create table name, and yeah, in between this angular braces, always I use angular braces. It means you have to give your table name. Okay, and you should not use this angular braces during writing the query. So this indicate that you have to give your own table name. Okay. Now let's talk about, yeah, sir, what you have to write in this parenthesis. So when you're creating a table, when you're creating the table, let's say you're creating this employee table, guys. Okay, you're creating this employee table like full name, passport, mail ID, percentage, institute name. Now, how many columns are there? Hey, for this table, how many columns are there?
5.
Correct.
Five, sir.
During the
Five
syntax,
columns.
during the syntax, you have to say, you have to remember that each column name, each column definition, you have to declare separately. Each column name, you have to declare separately. Totally, we have 6 columns, no? So 6 guys, you have to write it like this. So anyhow, I'll give a shortcut. The shortcut is something, CDC. Guys, the shortcut is space D space C. This is a shortcut. CDC. Okay. Sir, what is CDC? First C for
Data type
column
and
name.
constant.
No. First C for column one name. Okay. Second C for data type.
Data type.
Required, yeah, if required, you have to give the size. If required, you have to give the size. Hey, never focus on upper and lower cases. We know SQL is not case sensitive. Okay. Right. First C for column name, D for data type, and if required, you have to give the size. And last C for constraint. Constraint. You remember, you can give more than one constraint also, like this. Constraint one, constraint two, and so on. You can give it, guys. There's no problem. You
Not
can,
null.
yeah, you can give multiple. No. That are all constraints, ma. So for a column, you can give multiple constraints. That's what the syntax is. I'll repeat one more time. Create table name. Inside the parenthesis, just say CDC. Just remember the shortcut CDC. Okay. This way, guys, you have to create, your tables. That's it. That's it. You need to do it. Okay. So this is column 2 name. And yeah, you can consider something, column N name. And yeah, that's it, guys. This is, the syntax. Create table name. Column name one, data type, if required size, and then you can give constant, comma separation. This is a full-fledged syntax of creatable. Everyone clear? Can I go with coding now? Can we see this example?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay, so I'll be, guys, if you are listening the session, always use a notebook and write the syntax as well, so that, queries will become very simple for us. Okay. Yeah, let's land on this example. I'll be opening a fresh notepad. Fresh notepad. Yeah, this is, students, right? Students data, right? So let's create a table called something, students. Okay, students 2025. So I was giving the table name is students 2025. Table name is students 2025. Okay. Yeah, guys, go ahead. What should I write it? Hmm. Create.
Create table student name.
Create table students 2024.
So here I told you here you have to write something, students 2025. As I explained, do not use angular braces. Okay, that is a syntax. This is an example. Okay, right. Then open and close the parenthesis. Yeah, open and close the parenthesis. And guys, start writing your query here. Okay, start, writing the query here, guys. Right. First, what do you do now? What is the first column name?
Full
Full
name.
name.
Right, full name. Without space, guys, you have to always write. Okay, you should not give any spaces during your column names declaration. Okay. Next, D for
Data type.
Data type.
Data type, so
correct. So just say data type. What is the data type?
Char.
varchar.
Char, varchar, right? Yeah, char, varchar. You
Char.
can give anything. Yeah, I'll be giving
Size,
sizes
so
10. Yeah, I'll giving sizes 10. It means it allowed 10 to 10 characters. Sir, can I modify it in future? Yes, you can, but that's we discussed later. Okay. Initially, I given size, 10 characters. Next, C, D, C. One more C for.
Constraint.
What is the constant we decided yesterday?
Not null.
not
Not
null.
null.
Not space null, guys. Don't mix it. Okay. Not space null, you have to give it. Okay. There should be a space here. Okay. Yeah. My first column definition is done. My first column definition is done. When you're giving a column definition, you should say CDC shortcut. Okay. And you have to repeat for the second column. Second
Student
column.
ID, sir. Student ID.
Passport.
No. Whatever the left side table is there, we'll follow this way. Okay. Yeah. Go ahead. Passport. Yeah. See, if you see the passport numbers, yeah, it allowing alphanumeric, right? It allowing alphanumeric, right? Then you should not use number. You should not use char. You should use
Varchar.
always varchar.
Varchar.
Yeah. What is the constraint?
Unique.
Unique.
Right.
Unique.
Yeah, we have to use unique. Right. Next.
Mail ID.
Mail ID.
Correct. So just say mail ID.
Varchar.
Varchar, so
Yeah. Because you can see here, it will allow alphanumeric and special character also. Correct?
Varchar 255.
Yeah. I'll be giving something, 15 guys. Maybe, we have some lot of letters. So I'll be giving 15
Sir,
here.
15
Okay.
means
Next.
it will be not taken, sir, because more than 15 number, I mean, letters are there.
Yes, yes, that's what I was saying. Initially, I was going with 15. Okay, because I'll use myself with very small mail IDs. If you really
Okay, sir.
want to store, the big mail IDs, you may increase to 20 or
100
25,
or
30,
255
whatever it
or
is.
150. Okay,
Yes,
sir.
yes. Okay, yeah. And what is the constraint we decided yesterday?
Primary.
Unique plus
Uh,
not.
yeah,
Unique plus.
guys, as I told you, you should use primary key and there should be a space. Don't forget. Okay, primary space key. Yeah, yeah. Next, last but one.
Percentage.
Yeah, I'm using a small letter, small word,
Per-
not big. I'll tell you why. Yeah, next. Data
Float.
type.
Float.
Yeah, float. Okay, next constant is.
Check.
Next constraint. Unique plus
Yeah,
not null, sir.
yeah. You can. No, no, no. Why you're saying unique, man?
Not null.
Yes, you should say not
Oh,
null.
sorry, sir.
It
Not null.
means,
Not null. Sorry.
yeah, it means your percentages should not be empty. And then if we user give some percentage, the percentage should validate here by using a function called check. Guys, check is a function, okay? Check is a function. And inside the function, you have to declare your column name and what validation you want to do it. So the percentage should be above 70, okay? Above 70. And my percentage should be less than 100 only. Because if the student give percentage is 788, it's not a proper percentage, right? So that's what, guys, there's a restriction. See, it's like an English language, guys. If you read it, it's like an English language. See, check in parenthesis, percentage greater than 70, I mean above 70, and percentage below 100. It's like English, okay? And what is and, everything you'll come to know later, okay? But there's, a logical and operator. It will check both conditions are true or not. So this is something, how to write the check constraint. But sir, I want to check only percentage is positive or not. Only positive or not. Then just say zero. Zero. It means in this case, yeah, your percentage should be altered. It should be, it should be not be a negative. It should be a positive number. But this will validate your percentage should be lies between 70 and 100. Make sense? Make sense. Guys, I was waiting for your acknowledgement. Make sense? Okay. I can give a big name here, a percentage, but if I give like, big name in this statement, right, it will become very large. So it's very difficult to understand. That's what I was using, smaller word. Okay. Right. Okay. And yeah, I given a comma here. And let's go with the last column. What is the last column?
Institute.
Institute name.
Institute
Yes,
name.
yes, institute name, right? So I'll be using something like institute. Yeah. Yeah. What is the data type?
Varchar.
Correct. So I'll be giving varchar of subtype. Constraint.
Not null.
Default.
Yeah. Yesterday we decided, right? So default. So guys, whenever you use default, you should supply a value here. Okay. Whenever you use default, you should supply a value here. What value you want to give it to institute? So that value, if it is 100, you can give 100. Okay. If you give 1 or 2, you can. These are the numbers, right? But if you want to give an institute name, okay, if you want to give an institute name, I mean, this is string, right? In C or Java. In C or Java, it's a string, right? In SQL, all string should be represented in single quotes. There is no concept of double quotes. There is no concept of double quotes in entire SQL journey. Okay, wherever it is string, it should declare in single quotes only. Now, if you see the letters, 360 degree, yeah, I think it's less than 10 letters, so it will be fit. That's all. I'm done with my table creation. This is the syntax of to create a table. Is everyone clear on this?
Yes, no.
Okay. So guys, sir, where should I create a table? Maybe I have a question. The first thing I will always suggest to everyone, guys, I will be saving this file also for you. Yeah, this will be, SQL queries. This is one more notepad file we'll be sending you along with the today class. This is SQL queries. Now you may have a doubt, sir, where should I write this query? Step number 1, write query in notepad only. Don't directly write queries in your SQL prompt. Okay, don't never ever write your SQL queries in notepad. Sir, why? Okay, Guys, if you write the queries directly on this SQL prompt, you don't have a backup. Okay, you'll definitely, never have a backup. You remember I created a database name is, Chanti, right? My database name is Chanti, and the password I recall Apple. So this is, the DB name and the password I given. You can see a message connected. Never ever type your queries here directly. First write in Notepad. This is your create query, right? You written in Notepad, right? To make you proper visibility, I given lot of these spaces, guys, for you. Okay, even next line also. Lot of blank spaces. This query never run. This query definitely show the errors to you. Okay, because I have something, blank spaces here. Sir, how do I remove this? If you go online, we have a website called something, SQL formatter. Okay, guys, this is always we can use for, formatting your create table queries only. I can use any one of the websites. So I'll be taking this second website, guys, sqlformat.org. Along with the today class note, I'll be sending that as well. Or you can use this DP river also. Let me search. That is, I think I use regularly. Yeah, there's a DP river. Okay. So what do you do now? Whatever the query I prepared it, just paste it here. Okay. And on the database, you can select which database you are using. Okay. DB2, MS SQL, MySQL, Oracle. I'm using Oracle, right? Select it. And down you have a format option. Click on the format. As soon as you click on the format, guys, you can see a query by removing all the blank spaces for me. This is the first step, guys. You need to do it. Now paste it. This is my perfect query. This will run without any errors. Don't think that the formatter will make my, the keywords in uppercase. We know SQL is not a case sensitive. Okay, just it will remove the blank spaces, extra spaces in my query. Okay, and now this query is, happy to. I mean, yeah, it's a happy to. We can go this. Let's copy this query. Now I'll be opening your SQL prompt. Just do Control V. Okay, just do Control V here. Yeah, I'm doing Control V. It'll asking you, yeah, you want to paste this? Yes, paste anyway. And this numbers automatically come. I have not typed. Okay. And just after you do copy paste, just hit enter, guys. That's it. You get a message, your table gets created. Sir, how do I see my table is created or not? Just run this query. Just run this query. So you can see your table in here. Just type select star from tab. Just type select star from tab. See your table gets created. But sir, I want to check in my table all the this 5 columns. With the 5 columns the table is created or not. With this 5 columns the table is created or not. I want to verify it. Then guys, you have to use a command call. No. You have to use a command call desk space your table name. Desk space table name. What it will do, it will give the description of your table name, guys. Nothing but how many columns are there and which columns are allowing not null and what is the data type we given, what is the size. Everything else we can see here. This is something description. And one more thing, the last command and the very important command you have to use something always commit. You remember commit means a permanent save. Commit means yes, permanent save. Just click on enter, you'll get a message commit complete, nothing but this table permanently saved into Chanti DB. That's what your commit will do it. Ensure that always once you've done the create table, first type commit. Okay, then only your table gets saved into DB permanently. This is something guys how to create a first table. Do you have any questions here? Do you guys have any questions here? If
No, sir.
not,
Sir, I
okay.
have a question, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can you explain me the difference between commit and drop and delete?
Commit, drop, and delete.
Yes, sir.
No, in this instant, you can remember only commit because the drop
Okay.
and rest of things you will come to know later. Commit means, I'll give you a simple example. Commitment. I
Like
open a
permanent
notepad.
saving, it can't be deleted from DB.
Correct. Commit means. I can give you
Okay.
one more example here. I open a notepad. Okay, I written my name. and I haven't saved this file. Suddenly my power is gone. Now if I restart it, is this file is exist? No, right? Because I have not saved it. It is there in still a RAM memory. That is primary memory only. But now if I do file save, okay, after saving if power is gone, okay, then if I restart a machine, definitely this file is exist in my secondary memory, correct? That's permanent memory, correct? So that's what your commit will do. If you not use commit, there is no guarantee that your queries will be saved into the DB permanently. That's what commit will do. Okay, make sense?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Guys, I think we are done with this. A table with 5 constants we discussed. But validation, yeah, definitely will come to know once we start inserting the values. But before this, let's focus on these tables also quickly. Okay, let's focus on these tables also quickly. Now, yesterday, remember, department is a parent table, child is a child table. Sorry, faculty is a child table, right? Department is a parent table, faculty is a child table. Now, you have a doubt, sir, which table I have to create first? Guess.
Parent.
Parent.
In general, you can think, na, your parent exists or you exist. In general, your parents will exist, right? So yeah, that example you can remember. Okay, so you won't forget. So always you have to create a parent table. Chalo guys, we'll focus on the parent table now first. Yeah, go ahead. Yes, now you know the syntax.
Create table.
Yes,
Create table. Parent.
we know you are from CC or non-CSC.
CSC, sir.
Guys, if you have a background from CSC, I'm sure you have practiced this create command more than 100 times in your labs, right? If I'm not wrong. But I'll also suggest non-CSC people unmute and participate to writing the queries here because CSC people already know they practice so many times. Guys, can anyone please unmute now?
Create table
Hey,
department.
yes, create table. Table name is department. Yeah, next.
Open bracket, sir.
Okay, open and close the parenthesis. So what is the shortcut I given?
Inside the bracket CDC.
Yeah, what is the first C here?
Column name ID.
Okay, and data type?
ID. Data type is number, sir.
Nice. CDC. One more C for.
Constraint.
Yeah.
Constraint is not null and unique, sir.
No. I given man here.
Primary key.
Primary
Okay.
key, sir.
Correct. Yesterday we discussed, na, it should be a primary key. Next. First CDC done. Next CDC. Next column.
Name.
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 Varchar.
Hmm.
Size 10.
Okay.
Unique plus not
Yeah.
null.
Not null.
Yeah. We decided, right? It should be, unique and not null. Okay. Next.
Count.
Wait,
Count
guys.
number.
You should not use count. Wait. You should not use count. Okay. You should say total because count is a ready-made function in SQL. Okay. It won't work. I recall now. Okay. You should say total. Yeah. Next.
Number.
Hmm.
Not null.
Okay. That's it.
Check.
Yes. You have to say check.
Greater than 0.
Nice. Your total is greater than 0 because they should not,
Greater than zero.
give negative number. Correct. So I think this is makes sense, everyone. Let's focus on this guy now. The child table now. This is interesting, guys. This is definitely interesting now. The child table creation. So we are done with the parent table. Now we are creating child table. Yeah. Please go ahead.
Create table faculty.
Yeah, Deva, right? Deva, Nitin. Nitin, go ahead.
Create table faculties.
Nice. Nitin, you are from?
FP12.
No, branch.
Branch. CSC, sir.
You forgot? Okay, no problem. Go ahead. Go ahead, man.
ID.
Yeah, first column is ID.
ID.
Next, data type.
Number.
Yeah, 101, 102. Yeah, they're all numbers. Okay, next constraint.
Primary key.
Correct, correct. Next, second column name.
Primary key.
No, we are done with the first
Names.
column. Now, second,
Name.
yeah, name. Right. So I think I can copy this here. Right. So name, faculty names, and the data type and the constraint. Okay. The last one is
Department ID.
Sir,
yeah. The last
names
one is
ID.
can be duplicates, sir.
Department ID.
We can avoid unique.
sorry, my bad. Thanks, buddy. Yeah. So it should be not null. Correct. Yeah, we should not give unique. Okay. Nice. Next.
Department ID.
Department
ID.
ID.
Depth ID. Guys, I told you this is very interesting. Yeah. Data type.
That type will be number.
Number. Right. Now, just give a pass. Guys, the syntax here is to give the foreign key consent. Everyone go mute, please. Okay. So, guys, now I'm declaring foreign key here. To give the foreign key, first you should use a keyword called references. Okay, this is the step number 1. Okay, so if you are using references means okay, we are creating foreign key here. References means space. You should say your parent table name. Okay, your parent table name, and in parentheses, you should declare your primary key for the table, guys. See, references space, your parent table name. We decided this is a child now. For this child, who's a parent? The parent table name we have to write it. Tell me, guys, what's the parent table name?
Department.
Department.
Now in parentheses, you have to tell what is the primary key in this table.
ID.
ID, sir.
That's it. I'm done. This is how to
Connecting
create
your
a
two
foreign
tables.
keys. Yes. This is something establish the relationship between two tables. Okay. Yeah. Again, don't think it's sir, is it in uppercase? No, we know SQL is not a case sensitive. Okay. Yeah. Guys, I'm done. But before I want to, put them into the SQL prompt, unless you have to format it. And you can format multiple tables also at a time. Okay. Yeah. Sorry. I pasted in wrong window. On the top window, you have to paste it. Click on format. Okay. As soon as you click on format, I can see here, but they are coming, line by line. Better we can go table by table. Okay. That's format. Yeah, we got the first table here. Yeah, paste it. Now let's take the second table. I was just removing the blank spaces. Okay. This SQL formatter will not do anything else. It just remove the blank spaces for me. Okay. Yeah, it's showing in a long line. That's okay. I know the table name. Okay. Yeah, guys, I'll be. Wait, I think one more extra semicolon I given here. My bad. Yeah, at the end of the department. Okay. Now, guys, first always execute your parent table. First, always execute your parent table. This way. Just I did Control V. You'll get a message created. Next, guys, again, is created. As I explained, always do commit. And if you want to check all the table list, just type a select star from tab. So now you can see 3 tables. Now, if you want to see the structure, then you can use a desk command. Okay, that's completely optional. I hope everyone clear, guys, how to create the tables. Okay, now let me quickly ask you this question. Can I create more than one primary key for a table?
No.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Can we
No,
create
sir.
multiple foreign keys?
Yes, sir, you can.
Yes. Yes. Okay. Okay, guys, on this context, yeah, you have to practice these tables. Maybe after 10 minutes, I can showcase you the tables. But before this, you should know how to insert that also, right? So guys, so far I covered syntax, and yeah, I give an example. Yeah, I'll be showing you the task list also now. Guys, this is a task list. This is a second table now. Yeah, let's spend some time here to understand this. Yeah, guys, this is, the table. Just spend some time and tell me what is the primary key for this table. Okay, First question answer is, first question is, are their tables are related? If yes,
Yes.
okay,
Yes,
tell
sir.
me which one is a foreign key.
Person ID.
Person ID.
Person ID is the
No.
second table.
First confirm which one is parent table.
Person is the
Person
parent
tables.
How you are confirming?
because
Difference is
person ID is
taken
primary
in
key.
orders table, sir.
I think orders
You
table is
should,
there.
you should
Like
say, sir.
person ID is a primary key
Primary key,
connecting
sir.
as a foreign key in orders table.
Nice. So in another context also I can explain others. Focus your eyes on person table only. It's talking about only person, right? This table is only talking about a person, a individual, correct? His ID, his name, his age, that's it. Okay, this is purely an independent table. Okay, let's talk about orders. Generally, who will make orders? Persons will make the orders, correct? Now,
Yes,
order
sir.
ID is, an independent column because every ID, every order has, a unique ID. Next, every order has a number also, right? Again, it's a, independent to order table only. But last column, if you see person ID, yeah, this person IDs are coming from, it's a reference to other table because person is not related to orders, right? Person is related to other tables. So that's the reason we can decide it's a parent table and it's a child table. So whatever just now example I gave, in the same order you have to create these two tables. So hope you are clear this task,
Yes, sir.
right? Everyone, I want to see some acknowledgements. Clear on the task? Guys, tomorrow only you have to show me. Tomorrow also you have a session on same timings. Okay. You have to show me. I mean, you have to show me all the queries.
Sir, are you conducting any workshops?
Not now, ma. Not now. Okay. Okay. If anything there, definitely, yeah, you'll get an updates. Okay. Okay. Guys, the next one is this is a one more table. Again, spend some time and first decide which one is the independent table. Take your time.
Students.
Mhm. If you see the students table, no, man, you're not, you know, focusing on this. Take your time. Guys, tell me which one is a independent table first.
Courses.
Course, sir.
Course, sir.
Courses, sir.
Course.
Courses.
Correct.
Course
So
table.
the courses table is talking about only courses, right?
Courses.
His ID and a course name. That's it. It doesn't have any other information. Now focus on students table. Student ID, yeah, independent to student table. This column. First name also belongs to students. Last name also belongs to students. But when it comes to course ID, yeah, these values are coming from this table, right? So we can say which one is foreign key.
Course
Course
ID.
ID.
Course
Nice. Okay, I think this is also clear, everyone. So far, guys, I discussed 5 tables, to you. First one is employees. Okay, next person's order. Next students and courses. So far, 5 tables we discussed. More 3 tables are there. Totally 8 tables you have to show me tomorrow. 8 tables. Okay. Yeah, this is the last, the tables, guys. Take your time. Don't be rushed, please. Okay, take your time and first decide which one are independent table.
Customers and products are independent, sir.
Wait. Take
Product
more 10
order,
seconds.
product.
Product, sir.
Okay, so which one is a independent table first? Is customers independent?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Products is an independent?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because we have product ID, product name, product price. That's it. This is related to product, this is related to customers. Now, when it comes to the third table, products order, right? If you see order ID, yeah, it's independent column for this. And what about this product ID?
It's from
Foreign
products.
key.
It's from products.
This is
Foreign
FK1.
key.
Yeah, this is FK1, right? Nothing but
Yes,
foreign
sir.
key one, and this is referring to this table primary key. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now quantity
It's a independent.
Independent.
independent to products order. Now customers ID
It's a
Foreign key.
foreign
Foreign
key.
key
It's
too.
based on
Ah,
customers.
it's a
Equals to
FK2
customers
foreign key
table.
two, right? Yeah, because these values are taken from customers table, customer ID column.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Totally 8 tables that you have to create alone. please don't use any ChatGPT kind of things and never take any one of your friend helps. Do it by your own. Okay. The reason is in upcoming session, you'll be creating so many tables. If you depends today on ChatGPT or any one of your friend, the entire course you have to depend on them. Do it your own. If any others are, any difficulties, make a note and ask me in the beginning only. Generally, the Saturday session I'll take for queries, only queries. Okay, so tomorrow I'll take, review for your queries. If you don't have any queries and we are going all good, then I'll take the next topics into the Saturday session. Okay. Saturdays mostly I'll take, doubts session for only doubts. But I'm sure you don't have any doubts. So I'll be taking, continuation of concept after reviewing your queries. So don't miss the next session as well. And this first week will be a pillar for next all week sessions, guys. Okay. So I'm done with the task explanation, and I want to explain you one more command. So far we created a table, right? Are they empty, or we have already have a data?
Have a data, sir.
Empty.
Hey, no, ma, no,
Empty,
no,
empty.
no.
Empty, sir.
Empty, sir.
Empty,
Yes,
sir.
Empty,
yes.
sir.
Now,
Empty.
yeah, just table gets created. Now it's time to
Like
load
it's
the
like
data.
inserting.
Correct, correct. I'm talking about that one only. So far you're done with the create table. Now, guys, I'll be showing you a insert command. Insert command, how to load the data into this table. How to load the data into the table. So is insert command is a DDL or DCL or a DQL? Which command it is?
DML.
DDL.
I'm not given an option.
Data
Yeah,
manipulation
just
DML.
say
language.
DML.
correct, correct, correct. Data manipulation command.
Data
So
manipulation.
insert is a DML command, which is used to insert the rows into the tables. Okay. Let's quickly focus on the syntax. As I explained, the typical part in his entire SQL journey is remembering the syntax. So first by add it. If you are from non-CSC, first by add it. Create table name in parenthesis CDC. That's it. Now I'll be explaining syntax for insert command. Right? Again by add it. Insert into table name. Okay. Insert into table name. In parenthesis, first set of parenthesis, values, and second set of parenthesis. Two set of parentheses you have to open. Now syntax, if you see, insert into table name, two set of parentheses you have to write. In first set of parentheses, you should list, you should list, you should list all your column names. You should list your all columns names, guys, like this. You should list it. Column 1 name, column 2 name, column 3 name, so on. Now, second set of parentheses, what value you want to supply. Okay, what value you want to supply for this columns. Okay, what value you want to supply for this column, you have to give it, in a second set of parentheses. Guys, first set of parentheses for listing your columns, second set of parentheses for, what value you want to supply for this, columns. Okay, so this is syntax, and I'm sure uh, those who already practice this insert command in your academic, you have a doubt. So is
Sir, I
this syntax
think
is meant
another syntax is also there, sir, for
coming,
inserting.
coming, 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 Kavya. I know. That's it, I was pinching in between. We have totally 4 syntaxes. Okay, we are on first syntax, and this is I recommended to go with every time because in project preparation we use this syntax only. Once you're good at syntax one, I'll show you 2, 3, 4 syntaxes also, and they are not recommended actually. Okay, we'll first focus on syntax one, which is recommended approach. Okay, chalo, let's focus on guys how to insert the values now. We'll see the example one now. Now I want to insert first row. Then, as per the syntax, we should say insert into table name is students 2025. Okay, and then parenthesis space values and set of one more set of parentheses. Practice this way so that you won't forget. And then, as I explained in first set of parentheses, you should list your column names properly like this. first column name and second column name. Okay. And then third column name, third column name. I may a little slow, but bear with me. And the last column name is something in percentage. Guys, are you inserting value for institute also here?
No, sir.
No, we already given default,
By
right?
default is
But if you really want to change, then give the column name. Okay, otherwise you can ignore it. So now we have to give the values for only 4 columns. Okay, now let's supply the values. The first value I want to give something, Ganesh. This is the full name I want to give it. But Ganesh is what type of data? Number
Varchar.
or
varchar.
yeah, char or var. Yeah, it's a char or varchar, right? As I explained, there is no concept of double quotes. Always you have to use single quotes to store either char or varchars. Okay? No, you should give in single quotes because since you given varchar this. Next, passport number this. Again, I'll be
Same.
giving
String,
pass
sir.
01. Yes, string only. And next mail ID also. So I'll be giving some Gani at the rate of gmail.com. And then the last one is something in institute, sorry, percentage. So I'll be giving percentage something, this way, guys. That's it. I'm done with the, insert command. I'm done with the insert command. This is the first row, right? Let's copy and let's paste it quickly. Guys, validation I'll show you tomorrow. Okay, validation I'll show you tomorrow. Yeah, I'll go with something, Harish. Let's say pass note number is PA02. Let's say Hari. And let's say 79. Okay, let's go with the, fruitful data. And good data. Don't go with the bad data first. Okay, I'll show you what is the bad data here. Yeah, let's paste this. Yeah, I think, yeah, you can directly copy paste this, guys, because I have not given blank spaces that I know it. Here I know I given a blank spaces. That's the reason I formatted it. But here I not given in blank spaces. So I'll be moving them as part of this class notes today. Okay. Okay. Yeah, let's save this. Guys, tomorrow if you want to show me the task, first open your notepad, write your queries, execute on the prompt. Okay, that way you have to show me. Yeah, see guys, my first row is inserted. I did just copy paste. I just did copy paste. Yeah, 2 rows are inserted. Never ever forget to do a commit command. Okay, it will do a permanent save. Now, sir, how do I retrieve my details? I mean, how do I check whether my rows are inserted or not? Then guys, you have to pass this command. This is actually a DQL command. This is something, actually DQL command. Okay, so yeah, you can see now. So let's start from students 2025. This command will retrieve how many rows you inserted. This command retrieve how many rows you inserted, guys. Okay, let's paste it and hit enter. Guys, you can see the rows that I have inserted. I hope everyone can see the data.
Yeah, sir.
Don't forget commit. Okay, it's always highly recommended. This is something on how to retrieve the data. I have not explained today validation. Tomorrow I'll start the session with validation. And a similar way, we can quickly insert the data into this department table now. Can you help me? Can anyone help me quickly? More 3 minutes. Guys, how to load the
Insert
data into the
into
department table? Insert into
Insert
department
into
hmm,
DPT
depth,
hmm.
parenthesis
depth,
First parenthesis
ID
values,
value
second
parenthesis
parenthesis.
values.
Hmm,
Okay.
inside first parenthesis
ID
ID,
ID
name
comma,
name
name,
total
total
total.
correct,
inside
right?
values
Hmm.
on any
one
name
name
CSC, yeah,
PSC
any
and
total.
and the
12.
total people, right? So let's quickly copy, paste. Let's take
Just
only three
changing the
departments
values.
today. Yes. Let's say C, probably, let's say 3. Okay. And don't forget to do this commands. It's always highly recommended. Always do a commit and then go with depth. So I know the procedures. So I'll be directly copying it. Guys, even you do control V here, all the commands will run one after another only. Okay. See first department 1, then 2, then 3. Okay. Then you can see commit and then see data. Similar way, let me quickly load the data into faculties quickly. Yeah, let's
Insert
go insert
Mm.
into
faculties,
Certain faculties.
Parentheses,
ID,
base
open,
values,
Parentheses,
parentheses, semicolon.
yes,
Inside
ID,
faculty
comma,
values,
name, comma,
ID, comma, name, comma,
department
department ID.
ID,
ID, comma, name, comma, depth ID.
department.
Yeah. So
One
let's say
comma,
101. Okay.
rename,
Yeah. Faculty name. I'll be giving Tarun and he belongs to CSC. I given 1. Okay. Similarly, you'll go second row.
అంటే నాకు ఫోన్ చేస్తున్నారు.
Twenty, sir.
Yes.
No, sir. I am giving the name like.
Okay. Okay. You are giving my name. Okay. I thought that you are calling me for some doubt. People will call me generally for doubts. Okay. Okay, guys, I'm done. So let's load this data as well now quickly. Guys, don't forget to complete the task. So yeah, I'm done with the task. I mean, I'm done with the examples, required examples. I'll be sending this file also for you for reference. Okay. Just look at it and complete your task. That's all for today. Tomorrow we can see the continuation. Okay. Yeah. Bye, guys. Good night.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you,
Okay.
sir. Bye.